Hello, in this video I want to show you how to save the controls sensitivity preset on your Call of Duty mobile. To do this, we'll need to click on the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen, head on to your sensitivity, now select the upload. Here you can choose the different locations, so there's location 1 and location 2, only 2 of them available. Enter the name of the layout, and here I'm just gonna go with hard. Click on OK, upload the layout. Now the upload was successful and we can manage the specific layout that we want to download. So on this account, if you change your device, you'll be able to import it right here and download and use. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.